The car would shake when it was in neutral. When it was on, it would shake. The engine bay would shake real bad. I was getting told it was my harmonic balancer. So I pulled this one out and noticed it looked different from this one. You can see here that it has the rubber seals around it. I took this off. It had completely nothing in here. So when it's metal to metal and the car's on, the engine's gonna start shaking. So I'm pretty sure that this is my problem. Harmonic balancer is common with the 5.0s. So that's out. And I went into the engine bay and kind of cleaned up the old gasket that was left behind. So when I put this one in here, it should lock tight in there. And then I'll torque it and crank it down and maybe use an impact gun to lock it in here. So I shouldn't have any more shakings because this is all sealed with rubber. This is brand new, so it's metal to metal. You can kind of see it looked like it grinded a little bit, like it was beating on it a little bit. You can see around the little edges. So I'm gonna put this back on. The car should stop vibrating bad if it is. Well, I'm already gonna go ahead and change the motor mounts and the training mounts, or it could be a cross member, the clutches and the new clutch.